Dear student, I hope you have completed your first activity. Today let's start your next activity. So your next activity is bird. So take the pencil and start drawing. First draw circle with the help of any circular thing. Then draw curves for its body. Then draw its feather. And draw also next feather here. Draw line again and next feather line again. Draw its tail. Lines, again line. Now draw its eye, okay, and beak. Draw its inner part like this, half circle, like this. Draw the branch of leaf, okay, like this. Again like this. Outline with black sketch pen and color it with plastic crayons. You can use bright color, sky blue, yellow and purple. Take blue color and color it in face, lightly shading. Face and half body, light blue color shade, okay. Take yellow and color brightly in its wing, and here also other wing. Take purple color and color here, dark and bright purple color here, and here also okay, and purple color in the inner part, dark, and fill the part. Orange color in the beak, okay. Take brown color and color it in the branch, shading dark and light. And take green color, color it in the leaf, and dark green color also color it in the leaf. So when you complete it, the bird may look beautiful like this. Enjoy doing this activity and complete it. Thank you.